Welcome to AANURAJ Fasteners Private Limited. Presentation topic is about ASTM A453 Grade 660, fasteners mainly required for oil and gas industries and areas which are highly corrosive, and high temperature atmosphere. ASTM A453 Grade 660 grades fasteners comes in 4 class, A, B, C, D. Materials of construction is UNS66286, it's a part of high nickel grade materials and also known as INCONEL 286. AANURAJ Fasteners Private Limited manufactures studs, nuts, bolts and other threaded fasteners for use in high-temperature bolting application. 4 properties class namely A, B, C, D, each designated with different tensile and stress rupture properties. Grade 660 fasteners are used in bolting boilers, pressure vessels, pipeline flanges and valves, for oil and gas industries. ASTM A453 Grade 660 is chemically equivalent to ASTM B638 Grade 660 alloy, also known by A 286 and UNS66286, heat-treated to achieve properties defined in ASTM A453 Grade 660. AANURAJ Fasteners Private Limited manufactures studs, bolts and nuts. Dimensions is per ASME standard and specification. Studs and bolts are roll-threaded. These fasteners are free from mercury and radioactive contaminations. AANURAJ Fasteners Private Limited manufactures studs, bolts and nuts, are heat-treated to achieve mechanical properties as per table. Mechanical properties of grade D have different range of parameters. AANURAJ Fasteners Private Limited manufactures studs, bolts and nuts, are heat-treated as per procedure shown in table. Solution annealing at high temperature with cooling cycle is done before machining. After machining and threading, hardening tempering process is done as per table to achieve mechanical properties. AANURAJ Fasteners Private Limited manufactures studs, bolts and nuts, are heat-treated as per procedure shown in table in last slide. Important testing for ASTM A453 Grade 660 is stress rupture test. It is mandatory required to determine the time necessary to produce failure. Testing is done unit all failure. We have regularly supplied fasteners which withstand failure above 100 hours, with third-party inspection.